Well, we're on the Holland TV, and we're in Canada, and this guy's the man. That guy is the man. Yeah! Well, just some Holland TV. Well, just a little bit of that Holland TV. Got some copper from a barn. Copper is $3.38 a pound today. So I guess that's like at least 50 bucks, I don't know. Something like that, bud. Got a compressor, taking some wheels there. Got a big transport truck rim. It really holds down that aluminum. Not having to worry about driving slow or having it fly up. So we got that old sheet aluminum there. Got some old ski poles. I got some motors inside the truck. Got some number 2 insulated. And I got this stuff. So easily gonna make $100 today at the scrapyard. Got my trusty strap here for the back. Not that it really needs it, but we'll see what I can do. And yeah, some extruded aluminum, couple electronics, an old monitor. Just getting that scrappy scrap. Goodbye, house. Scrappy scrap. Just hauling the second load of the day. There it is. I got $98 for the last load at $200 a ton. So I'm just hauling. Got a little doggy sign. Just hauling, bud. That's life. Well, it's just some Holland TV. Got some old fencing, some T-bar, some old sheet aluminum. Bit of dirty aluminum with glass, some clean extrusion, some dirty extrusion. Just some stuff. Get that money, get some faucets, some siding, an old tire to get rid of. Just some Holland TV. Well, it's just Holland TV. Got some concrete and some paint to go to the dump. Well, I decided to go to my buddy's yesterday. And Holland TV's got a new mascot, bud. What's up? Are you the chicken that has a good grip? Stays in the back of my truck and likes to wonder what's happening up in the Arctic? 'Cause it's where you be, there, little chicken. This chicken is lucky. I was going to my buddy's last night to take him somewhere to pick up some money. And this little guy was literally just chilling in the back of my white truck. Just chilling there. He was like, oh my God, is anybody gonna see me? And I'm bringing him home today. So, I'm gonna haul this little guy back home. Making me do an extra trip. But it's okay. Just hauling the second load of the day. There it is. I got $98 for the last load at $200 a ton. So I'm just hauling. Got a little doggy sign. Just hauling, bud. That's life. Well, just hauling TV. Gonna take this load to the scrapyard. So, got her strapped down. Car trailer is always filled up again and almost empty. So yeah, just got some stuff, some old copper wire, some extruded aluminum, some extension cords, some copper. Gonna get rid of the tires there. And yeah. Well, it's hauling TV. We're just chilling with Bronson. What's up, bro? Yo, Bronson. Yo, dog. What's up, dog? Hey, dog. You a good boy? Are you a good boy? Hmm? All on TV, good boy, bud.